Yes, you. Do you already know about Koala? Let's get straight to the video and let me show you some features in which you can use in Koala as a student and as a teacher. Don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video, guys. So yes, once again, we are in our classroom in Koala, our beautiful 3D learning environment. And there's so much to do in Koala. And I must say, if you already know about Koala, you're a star. So there are many features which you can use in Koala. There's our home button right there, which shows us the details of our room. And also down here are features and tools in which we can use in Koala. So let me close this right here and let me go straight to our board. So here is our pencil tool. What should I write? Koala, K O A L A. Yes, guys, so that spells koala. Oops, we have a new student. What does this spell right here?
Koala.
Perfect. So that spells koala with our pencil tool. Now let's try with our marker tool. So first, if you want this to get away, just click on the rubber button. Boom, boom. Perfectly cleaned out. Now if you want to use our marker tool to write koala, so K, oops, this is slightly fainter, O A L A, koala. So that's how to spell koala with your marking tool. And you can change the color, pick any color, red, spell koala. Amazing. So guys, time to use the rubber tool again to erase everything off the board. And this is our mouse tool. So our mouse tool helps us to move things such as, let me paste something on the wall. And how do I do that? Click on the plus button, click on upload image. Let's upload any image. Let's see. So this is Einstein Studios, the makers of Koala. And this mouse tool helps us to move everything anywhere in which we want it to be. So let's move it. Ooh, this is cool. Let's move it onto the fence. Amazing! So see, it sticks right onto the fence like that, like a little sticker. Perfect. And now, this is our text tool in Koala. This helps us to place sticky notes anywhere we want us to place it. So let's place one on the board. Boom. And once we want to type, here are the instructions. E for edit, click, release, plus or minus, scale up or down, R or shift plus R, rotate, right or left, delete or backspace. Definitely editing this. So E for edit, let's type in my name, F-R-E-D, Fred. Perfect, that's how to use the sticky notes in Koala. And once we want to delete it, remember what we said, backspace. Boom, 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 boom. It's gone. So, and finally, this is our last tool. So this tool helps us to duplicate items in Koala. So let me see, let's duplicate the Einstein Studio sticker. You know why? Because it's really cool. Boom, 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 boom. And it's everywhere. So guys, these are some features in which you can use in Koala. But if you already do not know about Koala, click on my previous video for people who do not know about Koala. So this video was for those of you who already know about Koala. I hope you enjoyed it. And once again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!
Bye.